Our myth-busting team has returned to take care of several pesky web design myths that e-learning portal managers shouldn't be believing. But they do. No time to waste, let's go. Myth 1. Web design is about making your e-learning portal pretty. No! Design, as Steve Jobs famously said, is about how things work. Good design is setting the font to a legible size and having it in a shade that creates easy-to-read contrast. Myth 2. Off-the-shelf templates should be avoided. There's this idea in the web design world that commercially available templates are bad, tacky, not professional. This is so not true. In design marketplaces, you can find hundreds of high-quality templates at affordable prices and customized colors and fonts to your liking. Here's myth 3. You should copy the trends of the day. Hey, if it works for the big guys, it will work for you, right? Wrong. They want their site to be a great brochure for their products. Yours should be presenting your e-learning content in a way that facilitates learning. And myth 4 is, you should be building single-page applications. They're all the rage, so that's totally the way to go, right? Without getting too technical, SPAs are great for applications like Gmail, with many interactions going on. But for e-learning, you're doing yourself and your learner a favor by sticking to traditional server-side apps. What about this? Myth 5. Web design is some kind of art. We can't answer with a big enough no here. Web design is a craft. Totally different thing. Web designers are supposed to serve a business need in the best way that they can. Your job as an e-learning portal designer is not to express yourself. It is to make the page easy and pleasant. Myth 6. As an expert, you don't need user feedback. As a matter of fact, you do. No matter how many years of experience you have in web design, if your users don't like what you built, you're toast. Almost done. Here's myth 7. You can just rely on users to tell you what they need. We advise you to listen to your users, and you should, but you should also think above and beyond what they tell you. You should take their complaints into account, of course, but only after you've examined them carefully. Keep the suggestions that are easier to implement and impact the largest number of users. Last one, hold on. Myth 8. Web design is a one-off process. As all stages of development should be, design is an iterative process, part of an endless cycle of feedback and improvement. It's not just a case of changing aesthetic trends. There are also new technologies evolving all the time. So, you'll be updating always. So that's it. Another batch of myths fresh out of the myth-busting oven for your enjoyment. TalentLMS, the fastest path to awesome learning.